Hey, it's Rebecca Jones with Wishes Family Travel, and I am staying in a deluxe studio at Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa here at Disney World. And I just want to give you a video of my room so you would know what to expect if you stay here. So when you walk into the door, you can see there's a space there to hang bags or your coats or whatever you'd like to have. Plenty of space. And you can see over here, this is a lock off, so if you needed to have two rooms, there are connecting rooms available. Over here we have a small kitchenette. So we have the ice bucket. Up here we have disposable cups. There's some paper towels, bowls. Over on this side we have some more bowls and plates and silverware. If we needed to do some dishes, there's a corkscrew in here. There's a can opener. Microwave, toaster, coffee pot, things to make coffee, which is great. And then we have the fridge, so it's actually a smaller fridge, but bigger than the normal rooms. And then under here, we have the trash and recycling bins. So that's your kitchenette. Turn around from there, and you have the restroom. So I've got a nice long closet. There you can see the luggage rack. There is a broom, a vacuum. There's a bed, so pack and play. Iron and ironing board. Extra bedding for the pull-out couch. We'll see in a minute. And then the safe. And you can see that the safe is kind of built into the wall. So if you had a computer or a laptop, it would need to stand up. But it is fairly wide, so you could definitely fit a tablet in there. Over here at the sink. There's just a single sink, but there is a hair dryer with your amenities. And then going into the restroom, just your normal restroom with the towels and the shower. Just a regular shower head. And then you can see my favorite, the H2O amenities from the Disney resorts. We come out here. And we have the dresser, which is nice. It's got a DVD player as well as the TV. A little bit of storage. There's a queen size bed. And all of the Disney resorts now come with a letter when you check in, which is a letter telling you how that you can get in touch with the general manager at that hotel. And I love that option and availability that you have if something is going wrong and you're not getting the answer that you want, that you can contact the GM directly. So that's kind of nice. Little seating area. The ottoman is soft, so you can sit on it. This sofa pulls out. We saw the bedding earlier. And then your phone, the light is up above. But my favorite part of this room has to be kind of the view. So you can see here, we're gonna unlock it. Sorry, let's see if I can get this open. There we go. And here's the view on our patio. So it's beautiful. You can see the two chairs and the table looking right out at the fountain. And the best thing is we're so close to Disney Springs that you can see characters in flight from here. It's quiet, it's peaceful, it's gorgeous. You can see the cranes. I don't know if you can see them down there on the water, walking around, enjoying. But this is a fantastic location for your family. Again, it's a deluxe studio room at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. And I'm Rebecca Jones at 325-733-8399. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.